Hello students, welcome to your own YouTube channel Study with Ehsan, and I am Ehsan Anwar again at your service with a new video. So let's start. Students, it is clear from the new revised syllabus by CBSE that this year in your final examination under English grammar section you will be given 12 multiple choice questions, out of which you have to answer only 10. These 10 questions will be of 10 marks, and students, you can get these 10 marks very easily, but for that you need to practice a lot in a very specified domain and also smartly. And also you have to face more and more questions regularly, and for this students we offer you English grammar test series, and the test 1, 2, 3 and also the test 4 of this series has already been conducted. If you have not attempted these tests, then no need to worry. The link is available in the description. Students, you can attempt these tests from there. And what are the topics that we have to cover this year? This has already been discussed in test 1, and I see no reason to repeat all these in this video. So let's start. But before I start, students, if you have attempted any of the tests, then you know how the questions are given, how you have to answer these questions, and when and where the correct answers of these questions are given, from where you have to match your given answers, and then you have to see how much you score. Let's inform my new viewers that in this test 5 of the test series, you will be given 12 multiple choice questions one by one on the board, and when you have been given all these 12 questions, then the correct answers of all these questions will also be given on the board, from where you have to match your answers and then you have to see how much you score. Then let's start, and this is the first question of this test on the board. Question number 1. We are happy to dash the receipt of your order number 4071 dated 21st/11/2020. And the options are admit, accept, acknowledge, respond. Question number 2. He was caught red-handed and could not dash the charge. And the options are refute, refuse, rebuke, revoke. Question number 3. The lame boy tried to climb up the staircase without dash help. And the options are little, any, some, many. Question number 4. Only one of the boys dash not done the homework given yesterday. And the options are have, has, can, could. Question number 5. It is time we dash with determination. And the options are act, acted, have acted, will act. Question number 6. When the thief entered the house, the inmates dash in the hall. And the options are were slept, were sleeping, slept, had been sleeping. Question 7. I felt as if the ground were dash beneath my feet. And the options are sleeping, sinking, smashing, crumbling. Question 8. The furniture dash to be delivered today. And the options are is, are, have, were. Question 9. The teacher gives many examples to dash the idea contained in the poem. And the options are bring about, bring in, bring forth, bring out. Question 10. The thief explained how he dashed from the jail. And the options are escapes, had escaped, escaped, has escaped. Question 11. Tourists always enjoyed dash the setting sun in the Darjeeling hills. And the options are to watch, watching, in seeing, seeing. Question 12. He thanked me for what I dash. And the options are do, have done, did, does. Then students, these were the 12 multiple choice questions of test 5 that you saw one by one on the board, and I hope you have also solved them. And now the correct answers of these 12 questions will be given on the board. Match these answers with your given answers and see how much you scored. Then the answers are on the board. Then students, this was the test 5 of English grammar test series that you attempted today. Then how was the video? Students, if you think that it is useful and beneficial to you, then like and share the video. And if you have not subscribed the channel, then subscribe it. And also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get the latest update from us and don't miss any useful video like this. So that's all in this video. I will be present next time with new questions and new concepts. Thank you.